Month 2, Engine Repair and Performance Lesson 5-8. Engine Repair Techniques. Welcome to this comprehensive lesson on engine repair techniques. Today, we will cover essential topics related to engine disassembly and reassembly, component repair and replacement, as well as performance testing and diagnosis. Mastering these skills is crucial for anyone involved in automotive repair and maintenance. Engine disassembly and reassembly. Disassembling and reassembling an engine is a fundamental skill for any automotive technician. This process involves carefully taking apart the engine to access, inspect, and repair internal components, preparation steps, gather tools, ensure you have all necessary tools, including wrenches, screwdrivers, pliers, and specialized tools like a torque wrench. Safety first. Wear appropriate safety gear, such as gloves and goggles, to protect yourself from potential hazards. Document everything. Take pictures or notes during disassembly to assist in accurate reassembly. Engine component repair and replacement. Gather tools. Ensure you have all necessary tools, including wrenches, screwdrivers, pliers, and specialized tools like a torque wrench. Safety first. Wear appropriate safety gear, such as gloves and goggles, to protect yourself from potential hazards. Document everything. Take pictures or notes during disassembly to assist in accurate reassembly. Disassemble procedure. Drain fluids, remove oil, coolant, and other fluids to prevent spills and contamination. Remove accessories. Detach components like the alternator, starter motor, and belts to access the engine block. Mark components. Use markers to label parts and their positions for easier reassembly. Disassemble engine block. Carefully remove the cylinder head, pistons, crankshaft, and other internal parts following manufacturer guidelines. Reassembly tips. Clean parts thoroughly. Ensure all components are clean and free from debris before reassembly. Use new gaskets. Always replace gaskets to prevent leaks and ensure proper sealing. Follow torque specifications. Use a torque wrench to tighten bolts to the specifications provided by the manufacturer. Reverse disassemble order. Generally, reassemble in the reverse order of disassembly, using your documentation as a reference. Engine performance testing and diagnose. Repairing and replacing engine components is often necessary to restore performance and reliability. Understanding how to evaluate and perform these tasks effectively is key to successful engine repair. Common repairs. Piston rings. Diagnose symptoms such as excessive oil consumption or low compression, and replace worn rings accordingly. Valve seals. Inspect for signs of leakage and replace seals to prevent oil from entering the combustion chamber. Gasket replacement. Address issues like oil or coolant leaks by replacing damaged gaskets.
Auto component replacement. Component replacement may involve removing old parts and installing new ones. Always use components that meet or exceed original specifications to ensure compatibility and longevity. Engine performance testing and diagnosis. Performance testing and diagnosis are critical steps in evaluating the health of an engine. They help identify underlying issues affecting engine efficiency and performance. Key testing techniques. Compression test. Measures the pressure in each cylinder to assess the condition of the cylinder head and piston rings. Leak down test. Determines the percentage of leakage through valves, piston rings, and head gaskets. Exhaust gas analysis. Analyzes exhaust gases to check for incomplete combustion or excess pollutants. Diagnostic tools. OBD scanner reads and clears diagnostic trouble codes DTCs from the vehicle's computer system. Multimeter used to test electrical circuits, ensuring components receive proper voltage and current. Oscilloscope. An advanced tool for observing and analyzing electronic signals within the engine's systems. Here's a summary of engine repair techniques, pre-repair procedures. 1. Disconnect battery, prevent accidental engine start. 2. Drain fluids. Drain oil, coolant, and fuel to prevent spills and contamination. 3. Remove accessories, remove belts, hoses, and other components to access the engine. Repair techniques. 1. Tightening and loosening. Use proper torque specs and techniques to avoid damaging threads or stripping bolts. 2. sealing and gasket replacement. Apply proper sealants and gasket materials to prevent leaks. 3. Bearing and seal replacement. Use proper techniques and tools to replace bearings and seals. 4. Piston and cylinder repair. Use proper techniques and tools to repair or replace pistons and cylinders. Engine component replacement. 1. Oil pump replacement. Replace the oil pump to ensure proper engine lubrication. 2. Water pump replacement. Replace the water pump to prevent engine overheating. 3. Timing belt or chain replacement. Replace the timing belt or chain to prevent engine damage. 4. Engine block and cylinder head repair. Repair or replace the engine block and cylinder head to ensure proper engine operation. Reassembly and testing. 1. Reassemble engine components. Reassemble engine components in the reverse order of disassembly. 2. Test engine performance. Test the engine to ensure proper performance and identify any issues. 3. Test drive the vehicle. Test drive the vehicle to ensure the engine is functioning properly. Here is the summary of disassembly and reassembly. Engine disassembly. 1. Remove accessories, remove belts, hoses, and other components to access the engine. 2. Drain fluids. Drain oil, coolant, and fuel to prevent spills and contamination. 3. Disconnect electrical connectors. Disconnect electrical connectors to prevent damage to wiring and components. 4. Remove cylinder head. Remove the cylinder head to access the engine's internal components. 5. Remove engine block components. Remove engine block components such as pistons, connecting rods, and crankshaft. 6. Document and label components. Document and label components to ensure proper reassembly. Engine reassembly. 1. Clean and inspect components. Clean and inspect components to ensure they are free from damage and debris. 2. Reinstall engine block components. Reinstall engine block components such as pistons, connecting rods, and crankshafts. 3. Reinstall cylinder head. Reinstall the cylinder head and ensure proper torque specs. 4. Reconnect electrical connectors. Reconnect electrical connectors to ensure proper engine function. 5. Refill fluids, refill oil, coolant, and fuel to ensure proper engine lubrication and cooling. 6. Test engine performance. Test the engine to ensure proper performance and identify any issues. Best practices. 1. Follow proper torque specs. Follow proper torque specs to ensure proper engine component installation. 2. Use proper sealing techniques. Use proper sealing techniques to prevent leaks and ensure proper engine function. 3. Document reassembly process. Document the reassembly process to ensure proper reassembly and future reference. 4. Test engine thoroughly. Test the engine thoroughly to ensure proper performance and identify any issues. Here's a summary of engine component repair and replacement. Cylinder head repair and replacement. 1. Inspection. Inspect for cracks, warping, or damage. 2. Resurfacing. Resurface the head to ensure proper sealing. 3. Replacement. Replace the head if damaged beyond repair. Engine block repair and replacement. 1. Inspection. Inspect for cracks, damage, or excessive wear. 2. Sleeving. Sleeve the block to repair damaged cylinders. 3. Replacement. Replace the block if damaged beyond repair. Crankshaft repair and replacement. 1. Inspection. Inspect for damage, excessive wear, or misalignment. 2. Grinding. Grind the crankshaft to repair minor damage. 3. Replacement. Replace the crankshaft if damaged beyond repair. Camshaft repair and replacement. 1. Inspection. Inspect for damage, excessive wear, or misalignment. 2. Resurfacing. Resurface the camshaft to ensure proper operation. 3. Replacement. Replace the camshaft if damaged beyond repair.
Piston and ring repair and replacement. 1. Inspection. Inspect for damage, excessive wear, or misalignment. 2. Replacement. Replace pistons and rings if damaged or worn beyond repair. Valve repair and replacement. 1. Inspection. Inspect for damage, excessive wear, or misalignment. 2. Resurfacing, resurface valves to ensure proper sealing. 3. Replacement, replace valves if damaged beyond repair. Bearing repair and replacement. 1. Inspection, inspect for damage, excessive wear or misalignment. 2. Replacement, replace bearings if damaged or worn beyond repair. Here's a summary of engine performance testing and diagnosis (PRE) test procedures. 1. Gather information, collect vehicle history, maintenance records, and driver complaints. 2. Visual inspection, inspect engine components, wiring, and hoses for signs of damage or wear. 3. Check fluid levels, verify engine oil, coolant, and fuel levels. Engine performance tests. 1. Compression test. Measures engine cylinder compression to identify potential issues. 2. Leak down test. Detects engine cylinder leaks and measures combustion pressure. 3. Fuel system pressure test. Checks fuel system pressure and flow rate. 4. Ignition system test. Evaluates ignition coil, spark plug, and fuel injector performance. Diagnostic techniques. 1. Scan tool analysis, retrieves trouble codes and monitors engine performance data. 2. Sensor testing, verifies sensor operation, including oxygen, coolant temperature, and throttle position sensors. 3. Actuator testing, test engine actuators, such as fuel injectors and ignition coils. 4. Visual inspection, inspects engine components, wiring, and hoses for signs of damage or wear. Common engine performance issues. 1. Poor fuel economy caused by faulty oxygen sensors, clogged fuel injectors, or ignition system problems. 2. Rough engine idle caused by faulty spark plugs, clogged fuel injectors, or ignition system problems. 3. Engine misfires caused by faulty spark plugs, clogged fuel injectors, or ignition system problems. 4. Engine overheating caused by low coolant levels, faulty thermostats, or clogged radiators. Repair and validation. 1. Repair or replace components. Address identified issues by repairing or replacing faulty components. 2. Clear trouble codes and verify repair using scan tool analysis. 3. Test drive the vehicle to validate, repair, and ensure proper engine performance. In conclusion, by mastering these techniques, you'll be better equipped to diagnose engine issues accurately and perform repairs that enhance the vehicle's overall performance. Remember, practice and adherence to safety protocols are vital in engine repair. Thank you for staying up till the end of this lesson. Happy repairing and happy learning. See you again in the next lesson, folks.